Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Betterment goal settings for clearer money workflow. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Betterment app or website and log into your account. Navigate to the goals section of the dashboard. Click on Create a new goal to start setting up your financial objectives. Choose the type of goal you want to set, such as retirement, saving for a home, or an emergency fund. Input a clear name for your goal that reflects its purpose. Set a target amount based on your financial needs and time frame. Adjust the timeline for reaching your goal by selecting a start and end date. Select how much you plan to contribute regularly, like weekly or monthly. Review your contributions and make sure they align with your overall budget. Use Betterment's suggested investment strategy for your goal, or customize it to your preferences. After double-checking all details, click Save to finalize your goal settings. Monitor your progress by regularly revisiting the Goals section in your dashboard. If necessary, adjust your contributions or timeline to stay on track. Consider setting reminders for regular contributions to keep your savings habit consistent. Evaluate your goals periodically to ensure they still align with your financial priorities. Once your goals are set, utilize Betterment's tools for insights and tracking. Make use of automatic adjustments to optimize your investments within each goal. Stay informed on market changes that might impact your goal progress. Remember to celebrate milestones and reassess your goals as your financial situation evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.